What's up, guys? This is Mike back here again. So essentially what we have going on today, finally recording another video. So I have a no pest vent that I'm installing for my bathroom fan downstairs, and it's going to be installing that hole there. You can see right above the ladder. Probably could have done a little bit better job at lining it up with the window up there that's really so high underneath the soffit, but it's all good. So I got a no pest vent. So what this is a flange that basically lets you kind of like waterproof it and, you know, detail it to the house technically. It has this little opening here for a 4-inch hole, which most bathroom fans are 4-inch holes, 4-inch ducting. So this will get screwed up, zip down, and then this here just kind of sets. This here just kind of sets in to that flange. It has like some grooves on the inside to help hold it in, and yeah. So once the fan kicks on, 2 stages. So there's basically a pest screen there, which is not really a screen, it's just a flap. And then this top lip right here is the magnetized portion. If you can see, there's a little small magnet down there, and that helps keep it closed so nothing can, you know, open it up. Like I said, once the bathroom fan kicks on, it feels a little bit of flow, opens up, lets out the moisture or whatever it's ducting or venting, and then it shuts off and it's closed. These are really cheap from your local Home Depot, I think is where I got these, for about 25 bucks. And yeah, so let's get this knocked out real quick. I really wish I could show you guys how close I am to the vent, the actual wall with the GoPro. It's pretty insane how much of an angle it can give me with the just afraid to admit I installed the vent in the wrong orientation. I put it up in a landscape, and it should have been portrait. So I had to reinstall. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Get in front of you again, guys. More piece of tape. I'll get some of that other piece. I will say I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Of course, I don't want to make mistakes that are like dangerous and structural. So that's where I basically rely on professionals for stuff. But like electrical and plumbing. And what else? All that good jazz. You kind of rely on science. More so than professionals. Even though I am relying on professional, I'm getting my electrical inspected by the county and by an electrician. Can always talk about. Roll it again. Let's try this again, guys. All right, here we go. Cover's going on. Hopefully I didn't tweak it too much. There we go. in there. There we go. That's it. There we go, guys. This is how it looks from afar. All rolled. So I'll basically be able to pop this out. It's basically sized, so you can push it in as far as you need it to go, and you can tuck your siding right behind there, so it'll essentially create a J channel. And the same for the top, has that groove there, so you can put your siding right down underneath. The bottom, same way. Like I said, I left this out because of moisture running down, but I'm gonna probably put another screw right there just for support. I feel like it's a little bit too flappy for me, so I'm gonna just screw there and tighten it just ever so slightly. There's 2 stages. No pest vent. There we go. On to the next task.